Okay, so magandang umaga po sa ating lahat para po sa ating Bible Knowledge of the Day. Mahalaga po ito sapagkat sabi nga dito sa ating logo, Hosea 4:6, my people are destroyed for lack of knowledge. Dahil sa kakulangan ng salita ng Diyos, kaya nasisira ang mga tao ng Diyos. Dito po sa Proverbs 1:10, my son, if sinners entice thee, consent thou not. If they say, come with us, let us lay wait for blood, let us lurk privily for the innocent without cause. Let us swallow them up alive as the grave and whole as those that go down into the pit. We shall find all precious substance, we shall fill our houses with spoil. Kasinday lots among us, let us have. One verse, sabi po ng Bible, my son, walk not in the way with them, refrain thy foot from their path, for their feet run to evil and make haste to shed blood. Surely in vain the net is spread in the sight of any bird, and they lay wait for their own blood, they lurk privily for their own lives. So are the ways of one that is greedy of gain, which taketh away life owners thereof. Sabi po ng Biblia. Okay? So maliwanag po mga kapatid dito na sabi niya, my son, if sinners entice thee, consent thou not. Sapagkat yung mga following verses, binasa po natin kanina, ay talagang idadalin ka sa destruction, dadalhin ka sa kapahamakan mga kapatid. Kaya nga kung yung mga sinners ay pupunta po sa atin, yung mga masasama, yung mga gumagawa ng hindi maganda, i-influensyahan tayo at i-recruit pa tayong gawin ang kanilang ginagawa, huwag mong pahintulutan, sabi ng Bible, consent not. Alright? Huwag mong pahintulutan. Hindi po natin maiwasan makarinig ng bad influence, merong mag-recruit dyan ng hindi magandang gawain, pero wag mong pahintulutan. Learn to say no, mga kapatid, para hindi po tayo mapahamak. Learn to say no for the sake of your family. Learn to say no for the sake of your future. Learn to say no for the sake of your budget, di ba? Learn to say no for the sake of your studies. Learn to say no for the sake of your future. Consent down na. Kasi alam mo kung saan ka dadalhin. Destruction. Alright? Yan po ang ating Bible knowledge of the day at pagpalain po tayo ng ating Panginoon.